So it's about the car jack tools. It's very strange. So when you use the jack, push the car up, the wheels are so big, not under the under the front wing.
Yeah.
This has the same problem with your car.
No, we've made our own lifters. Because is that the lifters you use?
So how many is that?
Yeah, maybe we'll change the wheel.
Yeah, okay. Once the nose is back on later, I'll have a play, see if there's anything.
That's it for today's video. If you're interested in professional maintenance and modification for Wolf racing cars, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Feel free to leave a comment and share your thoughts with us. See you in the next video.